Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Remove the watch from your wrist and place it face down on a soft cloth so metal won't scratch. Once done, locate the two small band release buttons on the underside near the lugs. These are spring-loaded. Press one release button firmly and slide that strap piece horizontally out. Make sure to depress fully so the latch clears the groove. Repeat quickly for the other side, keeping pressure until the band disengages. Now take your new band halves and orient them correctly. Text or logo should face away from the watch body, so the clasp aligns when worn. Slide one half straight into the lug slot until you hear or feel a definitive click. This means the spring bar engaged the groove. Once one side is set, repeat for the opposite half. Make sure to slide along the same plane. If it resists, pull back and realign, then try again to avoid bending the spring bar. Finish by putting the watch on and flexing your wrist. If the band stays snug and the watch doesn't shift, you're done. If a band fails to click, remove it and inspect the spring bar and lug slot for dirt, lint, or a bent pin. Clean with compressed air or a soft brush. If a spring bar is damaged or a slot is stripped, replace the bar or consult Apple or a jeweler. They can swap pins safely and prevent future failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.